Hi and welcome back to the countertop, and today we are doing an apple masala chai cake from Season. Hi and welcome back. And the recipe I'm doing today is from Nik Sharma's book Season. He is a journalist, a blogger. You probably know him from the blogger A Brown Table, which he pretty much share all his recipes overall. And the recipe from today is the apple masala chai cake. So seems to be a very interesting cake. I never did this cake, so let's see how it goes. I hope you guys like it. Please, again, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave in the comments what you like and what you don't like. Okay? So let's go for the ingredients. So here are all the ingredients that we need for our cake. So 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter, room temperature, 2 tablespoons of darjeeling tea leaves, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of chai masala. I will put in the description how to make your own. 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt, 2 large Granny Smith or Fuji apples, 1 cup of packet brown sugar, 4 large eggs also in room temperature, 1/2 cup of confectioners sugar, and you're also gonna need around 9-inch baking pan that already put here some butter around and a parchment paper in the bottom. Okay? Let's start doing. Cool, so let's start doing. So the first thing, I put my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I grind my tea leaves and I also cut my apples into cubes. So I peel, remove the core and cut into cubes. So the first thing, you're gonna mix on the flour the tea, baking powder and baking soda. Also your chai masala and our 1/4 of fine sea salt, and you're gonna whisk everything to mixture first. Now that you have this mixture, you're gonna grab 2 tablespoons of this mixture and toss on the apples, just pretty much to cover everything. And we're gonna leave these here while we start doing the butter in the stand mixer. Cool, let's continue. So grab your bowl of your stand mixer, you put your butter and your brown sugar, and you're gonna make a cream with these medium high on your stand mixer with paddle attachment, 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna start adding our eggs one at a time to the stand mixer. And now you lower speed to medium low and you start putting your flour until everything is well mixed. So probably 1 minute. Now we're gonna remove and fold our apples in here. You just fold, you don't mix too much here now. You don't want to lose the creamy aspect of the batter. Now that you fold everything, you put in your baking pan. You level it all over. This is going to the oven for 55 to 60 minutes. In the middle, you just turn your baking pan half away and you check with a wooden stick to make sure that when you stick it down, it came out clean. Okay, let's bake it. So here's our cake. Now let's put some confectioner sugar on the top. And let's try it. Let's try our cake. So I already cut it here. I also made one coffee to go through. Let's try it. The batter is very light, very delicious. You can feel the black tea in it, the chai masala, so all the cloves, all the cardamom, also the apple brings a little different texture. It's very delicious and honestly it's very easy. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share with your friends. I hope you enjoy. See you next time. Bye. सोचा था मैं